Hey there, future GRE conquerors. Today, I want to talk about a gem of a word that can elevate your GRE game: alacrity. Yep, alacrity. It's one of those words that not only sounds impressive, but also has the power to help you ace the verbal section of your GRE. So what does alacrity mean? Alacrity refers to brisk and cheerful readiness. Imagine you're super excited and ready to tackle any task with enthusiasm. That's alacrity. Think of it as the energy boost your vocabulary needs. Now, why should you care about this word? Well, for starters, GRE loves testing you on advanced vocabulary. Knowing words like alacrity can not only help you answer questions more accurately, but also boost your confidence. Plus, using such words in your essays can leave a lasting impression on the scorers. Let's dive into how you can use alacrity in a sentence. Instead of saying, "She was eager to start the project," you could say, "She approached the project with alacrity." Sounds more sophisticated, right? Or, instead of, "He was quick to reply," you could say, "He replied with alacrity." It's a small change, but it makes a big difference. Now here's why it's crucial to know and use words like alacrity on the GRE. The verbal section tests your ability to understand and use complex vocabulary. When you encounter words like alacrity in reading comprehension or text completion questions, being familiar with their meanings can save you precious time and help you avoid mistakes. But don't just memorize the word. Practice using it in your daily conversations or writing. Make flashcards, use vocabulary apps, or even try writing a short story using new GRE words. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become. And remember, the key to mastering GRE vocabulary isn't just about cramming definitions. It's about understanding the nuances and being comfortable using these words in different contexts. So, the next time you see a challenging word, approach it with alacrity. Alright folks, that's it for today. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and tackle your GRE prep with enthusiasm. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow GRE warriors. Until next time, happy studying.